Hello traders. Um, let's describe a little the Dungeon Channel MTF indicator that we have. MTF, by the way, stands for multi-time frame. I'm not gonna get into trading with Dungeon Channel, how to trade with the Dungeon Channel. I'm just gonna say that originally it was designed to detect the trend and to trade following the trend. The price for this part of the chart bounces and rises somewhere between the middle line of the Dungeon Channel and well, obviously the upper line of the channel, and most of the traders trading the Dungeon Channel will consider buying when the price drops and touches where it's about to touch the middle line of the Dungeon Channel, and they'll consider setting a stop loss somewhere below the channel and a take profit at the upper side of the channel. This is how they usually trade. Now the difference between this Dungeon Channel and the others is that this being a multi-time frame indicator, you have the option to change the time frame of the Dungeon Channel. So if I'm trading on H1, which is 1 hour, default it's 60 minutes, I can set the Dungeon Channel indicator to 240 minutes, well, which is the H4 time frame. So basically it will show me the Dungeon Channel for the H4 time frame. If you find it useful, well, go ahead and download it. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. And regarding the settings, you also have the option to leave the Dungeon Channel draw using the default method, the default Dungeon Channel, which will draw the channel depending on the highs and lows of the candles. This is high-low channel set to true, the default Dungeon Channel. If you set this to false, the Dungeon Channel will be drawn depending on the candles close and open. It will not be much different. Anyway, it's worth to explain and to mention, so you know what this option does. Period is the time of in the period of the Dungeon Channel measured in bars. Set this to the smaller or a higher number for the, I don't know, the Dungeon Channel to be more precise or not. Set this to a closer number, a smaller number of 10. The Dungeon Channel gets well, looks like squeezed a little, or bigger the number of bars and wider the channel it gets, and it gives you more I don't know, space to set your stop loss and your take profit. And this is it. If you find it useful, go ahead, visit our website, robotfx.ro, download it. As I've said, it's free. I hope you enjoy it and find it useful, and use it wisely, and happy trading.